Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In this video today, we are going to show you a close-up view of a four-sided EPS packing machine. This is the push plate, which pushes the packed EPS boards to the green outfeed conveyor belt. These are the upper film tensioning mechanisms and lower film tensioning mechanisms. This is where the EPS film rolls is placed. This is the alignment mechanism, which needs to be aligned before pushing. Our four-side EPS packing machine has multiple protection mechanisms. For example, if you need to replace the PE film roll, the packing machine will automatically stop when the top and bottom covers are opened to prevent the roller from pinching hands. This is a film break alarm device. If the PE film breaks or runs out during use, the machine will automatically alarm to ask for human intervention. At the same time, the tightness of the PE film can be adjusted through the touchscreen. This is the down press device to ensure that the EPS package will not shift during the PE film wrapping and seal process. This is the up and down moving sealing knife. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.